How to turn on or turn off low data mode for a Wi-Fi connection on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap on the information button right next to the name of your Wi-Fi. Then go down and tap on Low Data Mode. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Low Data Mode on the iPhone 16 series. Now, Low Data Mode on the iPhone is designed to reduce cellular data usage when you're on a limited data plan or have a weak cellular signal. So while it's primarily designed for cellular data, it can also have some benefits for Wi-Fi usage. For example, um, firstly, it can reduce the background activity. So with low data mode, it can limit background app activity, which can reduce overall data usage, including Wi-Fi data. And the other one is to optimize video streaming. So it might reduce the quality of video streams to conserve data, which could indirectly save battery life. So that is another benefit of turning on low data mode. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.